Hello everyone, today I would like to show you this package that I received from this company. Probably many of you heard about Temu. So this is what it is, and I want to see what everything is like a flaky package. You won't believe it what they have sent over here inside this package, but it's actually have been sent to me a few items. Well, let's go ahead and start open. Everything is kind of smashed to death, and they have this plastic container, so not very good packaging, but hopefully nothing is broken. Well, this is a flashlight. You probably see those a flashlight that is supposed to bright up uh, like super bright, and that's actually what it is. Oh, there is a battery inside. Let's go head outside and test this. I'm pretty sure it's a full speed, and I'll tell you exactly if it's worth to have it. There is come with the charger, so you don't have to have battery, so you can just simply recharge this. But I'll let you know if it's worth to have it. So we are outside in the pitch dark. Let's try turn on. This is a full speed actually. Um, that's pretty cool, honestly. If you ever see the advertisement, that's what it is. I'm gonna leave the link in description of this item that I got. I don't know how far this can beat, but gosh, it's pretty cool. It's actually truth. Yeah, it's a projector, my goodness. More details of this product will be in description. So let's see what's next item in this box. Let me take the plastic off. I do know that I have one of this in a larger version. This is a car repair, small pulley, and I have a large one, couple of those, but this is a smaller version to pull the small bumper issue. It's made out of the plastic. It's pretty good for what it's get for a couple of bucks or maybe $1. So this is I don't even know what it is. Oh, this is camera for the phone. Let's get this inside. So the whole package cost me approximately $50. This is a camera. It's actually, you plug this thing into your phone right here, and let's try to do so. So I plug this to my phone. Of course I won't be able to show you what it is right now, but I will going to be do this piece later. I'm going to include it. So this thing has about, yeah, let's see, it's about probably 10 meters, I would assume. Made in China, 5 meters, so 5 times, so it's about 20 feet long. It's basically for the car repairs and to do drainage. It's water resistant. Okay, I'm going to pull this out, power my phone, and we'll keep going next. So this is what is this? Oh yeah, this is a nice tool. This is for you attach pencil here. Right here you put the pencil, and you run this along the corner. You might see those on the advertisements. You go like this. Every corner uneven. It's basically marking tools to cut the tile and wood. Okay, that's good. Couple other things. This is I have no idea what I bought. This is something else I have to look to order, but that's two spring. Have no idea. Oh, they actually come with this one right here. Okay, this is a metal detector. I know it looks pretty flimsy. My wife said there's something bouncing around. So it's basically when you run with the tile, it's going to be go like this. If it's like going like that, then you can see the line. I'm doing remodeling here, so this has to come out. So it's going like this, and so on. I'm not pushing, but that's what it is. I found a pencil. It was coming off of the other plastic bag. So let's get to the metal detector last. This is another thing I ordered for my friend, but I'm not gonna have it as well. Something like this locally. I mean, if you buy in the store, it's gonna cost you about $100 something. I mean, you can buy this on eBay. Prices are various. But let's pull this one out. This is a mount brackets, and what it is a solar induction street lamp. You might see this online. It's actually that's what's actually original size. This is my hand. I got a large hand. This is a light. So it's going like this. You hook it up probably somewhere. This is the connectors. There is a connecting right here. Basically coming to the wall like this. But let's see, this is LEDs, and that's actually a lot of them. Oh my lord, this is quite a bit. Okay, this is on. Jeez Louise. It's come with remote control. You can turn on and off somehow. Oh, I need to pull some plastics out right here. Look at this, Marisha. Let's go on the стенка. On, off. This is off. This is off, and this is on. So this is good for the backyard. I was buying this for Marina, for her property. Let's see, they have mode control. I have no idea what's mode 4, mode 2, mode 3. It's probably different lighting. So SOS. Oh, this is SOS. It's SOS source. You press SOS. Probably have to be bright first, and then you press SOS. Nothing's working. I gotta see how this works. But anyway, that's very nice purchase. I like this light. I'll put on backyard. So all this, and this is the last item I have over here. And gosh, this is a good deal. To be honestly, I see this on eBay for $160. And I don't know if it's a joke or not, but everything's here. Look at this, Marina. This is metal detector. Metal detector, yeah. Let me open this. So this is actually what it looks like. Let me place everything in parts together. Battery first. So get the batteries in. Get a cable.